Okay, so for 17, it says that triangle ABC and in triangle ABC and MNP, A is congruent to M, so this angle is equal to M, and it shows that. And BC is congruent to NP, and it shows that they're congruent. What additional piece of information would you need to prove that they are congruent? By angle, angle, side. So I would need to know angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. So I need to know that B is congruent to N to have angle, angle, side this way. Or I could have angle, angle, side this way, angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side this way, so C equal to P. And then the other ones don't make sense really. In A equal to N, nope. Okay, and the next one, number 18, let's see in here. It says a technician is assembling parts for a radio antenna. He attaches 2 metal bars to a 3-foot cross pieces, so a triangle is formed with each bar meeting the cross piece at a 40-degree angle. So imagine like a bunch of these. This is 3 feet, 3 feet, and then you have 2 bars to make a triangle, and then they each meet at a 40-degree angle. Which postulate proves that all triangles formed this way are congruent? Angle, side, angle would prove that all of these are congruent. Focus it. What if I forget one? Okay. In triangle RST, measure of R is this, S is this, and RT is 17. Which set of measurements would make RST congruent to MNP by the angle, angle, side theorem? Okay, so I'm going to draw RST, and also I'm going to draw MNP. MNP. It says that angle R is 85, S is 33, and RT is 17. Okay, if these were congruent, then this would have to be 33 degrees, this would be 85 degrees, and this would be 17. So that's what I'm looking for in the answer choices. M would have to be 85, cross these out. N would be 33, and MP would be 17. So it's this one. Okay, next. Over here, it says select the pairs of triangles that must be congruent to each other. So for this, we're looking for angle, side, 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 angle, side, or angle, angle, side. Also, another one, we'll see it actually in the first example. So the first example, it has angle, side, side, angle, side, side. ASS is not a congruent statement, except for when you have 2 right triangles. So we don't call it ASS though, we call it hypotenuse leg. So yes, they are congruent because of hypotenuse leg. They have hypotenuse in common and a leg in common. So yes, congruent. Then for B, we have side, angle, side, side, angle, side. So that would be yes, they're congruent. And then for C, you have angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. So yes, they are congruent. And then D, it's angle, angle, angle. When you have 3 matching angles, it doesn't prove congruence. Does not prove congruence. They could be congruent, but they could also be similar, meaning that they're proportional, like one's bigger, bigger. And we'll get to that in chapter 8. So this one is a no. Okay, and number 21, if the vertex angle of an isosceles triangle measures 86 degrees, what is the angle measure in degrees of one of the base angles? So drawing an isosceles triangle here. Isosceles means 2 sides are the same length. It says a vertex angle, which would be this angle right here, is 86 degrees. And then it wants to know what one of the base angles are. The base angles are congruent because they're opposite these 2 congruent sides. So we are going to do 180 minus 86 to get 94 degrees. And then that 94 degrees needs to be split evenly among these two angles. 94 divided by 2 is 47. So each of them would be 47. Okay, number 22, find the value of x. It shows that these two sides are congruent, so therefore the base angles are equal. If this is 11x minus 18, that means this is 11x minus 18. The three angles of a triangle equal 180, so we can use that to figure out what x is. So we'll do 40 plus 11x minus 18 plus 11x minus 18 equals 180, and we can solve this. So I'm going to combine like terms, 22x, combine these, and x equals 8. Okay, next it says, what is the length of segment QR? Okay, so a couple hints it gives us here. It shows two angles 60 degrees. That means the third angle would have to be 60 degrees to make them add to 180. With all the angles being equal, that means all the sides are also equal. It's an equilateral triangle. So to find x, we can set these two equal to each other to find x since they're the same length. So 3x minus 9 equals 2x plus 5. I get x equals 14. However, it doesn't ask for what x is, it asks for the length of QR. Since all three of these sides are the same length, I can plug x into anything and then it'll give me the length of QR. So I'll just use this right here, 3x minus 9, so 3 times 14 minus 9, you get 42 minus 9. What would it be? 33? 33 is the answer. So this right here, QR equals 33. Okay, so now we're going to transition over to the back part of the packet.